Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike. Today we had an inspection on the car. It's European regulation, it has to be done every year and every nation has its own inspection. Germany has the TUV, I believe, don't pin me on that, and Holland has the APK. So you have to do this every year to see if the car is still fine, the tires, the brakes, and the most safety features on the car. Yeah, well, it was okay, so we can go for another year. And today I also wanted to work on the fog lights, because you know I replaced the fog lights with LED, but now I got a problem on my dashboard, which is not fine. So that will be the thing for today, but I just wanted to share with you that the inspections went super well. So leave a blue thumbs up if you think that's okay for me. That's just great. Yeah, it's really great. So yeah, without further ado, let's go change the fog lights and rewire it so there will be no fault in the system anymore. Alright guys, so as said, we will take out both the fog lights and find out where the problem is and keep testing until there is no fault on the dash anymore. So it's pretty easy. Let's see if I can still remember it. Well, that was easy. Now we can take this one out. Ta-da! And now there's 1, 2 screws.
A few moments later.
So guys, as you can see, this middle section came with the light from AliExpress. Normally this goes in here, but somewhere mistakes have been made. So now it's just hoping that I have to push this one out. Just turn it around. No, that's not okay. That will not fit. So the other option I have is to pull this one out. Let's see if I there is only one way this will fit. So the only other option I have is to turn this one around and hope it will work like that. The other option I have is to keep the entire middle section out, but I don't know if that will work with the CAN bus system, but we will see. Apparently this is a two-way streak. And now we will test it, see if it goes on. So guys, I cannot get it right. This piece in between, it does not work. So although the lights work and they work perfectly, you still get on the dash a light from your light is broken, which it isn't, but it's just a fault I wanted to get rid of, which is now impossible because I tried to turn these things, also that one, but this one goes in only one way on both sides. This one goes in only one way, both sides. I tried to turn it, but that didn't work either. So the only option I have now is to put it just back in make it ready, and that is it, I'm afraid. So not really a solution to have, but it is what it is. We cannot do anything about it right now because it's in the computer. So too bad, but hey, at least the lights work, and that's fine with me. So I'm gonna pull them again. If you like this video, don't forget to do a blue thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. I will finish up here and go edit this video. See you later, guys.